the automatic wire stripper, but it never had the adjustments that this one has. This particular one not only allows you to adjust for wire size, but it also has a stop on it to define where you're going to push the wire in, cut, and strip. By using this, you can put your wire into the stop, grab a hold of it, and it'll just strip that little tiny piece of it for you. That's what's really cool about this, and you've got adjustment on here to make it longer or shorter depending upon what you're doing. So in this particular case, and you can also flip it to the side so that you don't have to worry about the stop, and you can strip the wire naturally just the way you would. But look how quick that stripped the wire, and all it did was take off the little insulation and no extra wires, just by a simple little adjustment. And then again, this one also has a wire cutter on it. Let me get this mess out of here. Where you can cut your wire to the size that you want it. So you've got the wire stripper, the wire cutter, and you also have both insulated and non-insulated crimpers. So you've got the best of both worlds with this particular tool. Me, I like to take it one step further. I love this stripper, but I'm not real keen on this unless I absolutely positively have to use it. So Haisstronica has answered that question for me too and sent me this. Oh my goodness. If you don't have one of these, you got to get it. Well, you got to get both of them. Like I said, when you're doing wiring, one of the most frustrating things is tools that don't work right. So when we're putting together a wire, we generally will pull it out. So we've got our nice little wire stripper here. We cut our wire to the size that we need. So we just slop it on in there. We've got our cutter and we cut the wire. Whoop. We just put it on into the cutter itself to the size we want it and then cut what we need. Boom. We take our wire stripper and we put it in the wire stripper like so. We put our stop on there. And like I said, you can adjust the stop in or out depending upon how large you want it to be. You just push this in and turn it, and it opens up wider or shorter depending upon what you want. So we put it in, get to the stop, just like so, strip the wire, and boom. Nice, clean wires. Now, I cut this one a little long again so that I can show you how this fixes that. You just grab a hold of it again, put it on in there to the size you want it, cut it, and boom, you're good to go. So now we've got two nice little nubbies on the end here. This is where this tool comes in neat. This is a crimper that ratchets. So you can ratchet it shut